Hey friends, if you encounter the error fail to parse setup.xml file, Intel software installer error, then please watch this video. Now, first of all, you need to decide which driver is the problematic one. Is it, let's say, the Bluetooth driver? So in that case, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth driver and update it. Search automatically for drivers. Does this help? If not, then right click on it and select uninstall device. Click on action and select scan for hardware changes to reinstall it. And lastly, you can use your Intel driver in support assistant. So search for it in the Google's or Bing search bar. Click on Intel driver and support assistant. Click on download now. Click on open and then click on it once again. And then agree to license terms, install, and then select accept and install it on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.